Hello everyone, welcome back to PitaChew. Today we're having some sausage cheese McMuffin. Sausage cheese McMuffin. There is no eggs. Check this out. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, look at that, still nice and hot. So I toasted these muffins with butter, vegan butter. Look at the cheese, vegan cheese. Still hot too. Woo. Oh, that one's hot. Oh. This is so good. I like this. Again, for those that are new to my channel, everything I eat is vegan. Whew. Again, this is my first meal of the day. Go ahead. Take a bite. Yeah, this one has two types of cheese. Oh, look. See that? Oh, wow. These English muffins are good. When I'm doing this, I'm sending you guys some positive vibe. You know what? I should have had orange juice with this. I'm pretty sure you can hear that. My stomach is growling. Today's gym day. I love it. Hey, do you guys like going to the gym when it's busy? For me, I get easily distracted. So I'd rather be at the gym when there's not a lot of people there. Not only that, I'm very self-conscious. And I know it's just something I need to work on. It's a work in progress, though. Like I've said so many times, you are your worst enemy. So good. And I'm getting full. So the last time I went to the gym, I went on a different time. It was crowded. I mean, it was uncomfortably crowded. What I mean by that is I get a lot of anxiety around a lot of people, so that's how it was when the last time I went to the gym. The day before, behind. Anyhow, it became less crowded within about an hour or so. And then I was able to focus on my workout. Look at that. So now I go to the gym in the evening, like around 7 or 8. 7 or 8 p.m. Yeah. There's nobody there. Well, I said maybe 20 people there. Whew. Excuse me. That was good. That was really good. I like that. And the only reason why they have any eggs on them, because I ran out of eggs. Vegan eggs, all right? It's called Just Egg. Comes in a little bottle. Excuse me. Anyhow, that was good. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you soon. All right? Ofatu.